Today we're talking about AAX, an incredible decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to have leverage trading, margin, and really capitalize on the power of leverage trading plus decentralization. So not having to worry about being banned off something because your country isn't going with something like Binance or something like a Coinbase or Femex or Kraken. This is a truly decentralized platform, so it's absolutely incredible for the global economy, as we cover on this channel a lot. So global investing, AX is incredible for leverage trading cryptocurrencies, and especially if you understand, proper stop loss, proper risk management, it can be incredibly useful tool. So we're going to jump right into my laptop, talk about AAX, and actually cover a little bit of their token, the AAX token. So let's hop right into it. Crypto futures at the speed of light. This is the AAX platform for laptop. The nice thing is you have this mobile feature over here. So if you're interested on downloading the AAX mobile application for iPhone, Android, or Google phones, you just scan this QR code and it actually sets you up nicely, and you can start going with AAX. So again, just to reiterate, the reason I really enjoy this exchange and other decentralized exchanges is because you don't have to do the KYC. So you don't have to do the know your customer, all those things, mess with that. Also, you don't have to run the risk of having your country shut down the exchange, as well as being vulnerable to hacks, which a lot of centralized exchanges are. So let's just run through this. There's a lot to look through here, and then we'll actually show you how you sign up with an account, how easy it is, and a nice little sign up bonus you can get. So the platform token, as we talked about at the end, is the AAB token. So that's the AAX economic, or rather ecosystem token. So if you want, you can actually go into the beginner's guide or the academy if you want like more in-depth things on trading and how to actually use AAX. But we're just going to cover basic things. So they have the ability to buy spot crypto, so like fast buying. You have the exchange, so you can, if you have like, let's say USDT on the AAX platform, you can exchange it over to, let's say, like BTC or ETH, and then you have futures. So here you have the ability to do margin trading. Then you have spot trading here. You also have their savings part over here, which is actually kind of nice. And then you have the rewards hub, so you can actually earn AAB tokens. And then we'll actually show you how you can get started with this application over here in a second. Exactly how you just like sign an account. Very easy. All you need is like a phone number or an email, and it's really nice. So currently they actually have a 200K prize pool going with like a trading special, which is kind of interesting. So again, they kind of iterate that they have deep liquidity and tight spreads. So that's something that's very nice. You want to be trading on an exchange with deep liquidity. So it's one thing that's absolutely huge. So again, this is kind of their futures market. You can do, let's see, so BTC, you can do up to 100x leverage, Bitcoin Cash, 25 leverage, 50x leverage with ETH. Very nice. Let's see. So it's good to see that they have this leverage ability, because a lot of exchanges that are decentralized don't have this leverage ability, and this is so important for really, if you understand the power of leverage. So there's a video down below in the description on how to make $200 a day leverage trading. It's not for necessarily super beginners, but it's basically a trading strategy that you can use very easily, just using the Bollinger Bands in the 5 minutes and the 1 hour time frame. So very easy, kind of looking for bullish engulfing patterns. So digital assets are leading the charge. Create, grow, and secure your wealth with the AAX platform. So top performance for fast trading, high security for your assets, deep liquidity, and tight spread. So again, that's kind of what they're talking about at the above. So you have 24/7 service. That's so nice. That's huge. Coinbase is notorious for having bad customer service. You have earn to use, and then you have trade anywhere. So that's what I really like. That it's literally available anywhere you want. And then top quality products, trade BTC, ETH futures. Very nice. Yeah. So let's see. So this is their trading partners, which is Quadrant and Stacked. Let's see, news and insights. Interesting. So they have a lot of stuff here. Like I said, I would recommend checking out the Academy if you're really interested in going more into detail. I can always make a part 2 on this video, or an updated version, and focus more on the things they have to offer. But first, let's just take a look at this section. So again, you have the platform token. So you have the AAB token. Let's take a look at what they say over here. So daily coin burns funded by 100% derivative revenue. So that's very interesting. So 25 million AAB burned in 188 days. So one thing that, that 25 million may seem like a lot, but it's like, okay, so what are the total amount of AAB tokens, and I hope they'll show us down here. Nice. So circulating volume 3.5 million, locked volume is 21 million. Wow. Issued volume is 50 million, burned volume 25 million. Interesting, interesting. So let's see. Wow. So it's a bit low right now. It's about they have this messed up. This should be a negative if it's red. So it's about negative 20%. So it was at 7 cents. Now it's sitting at around 5 cents. So the trading volume, wow, that's interesting. That's interesting. So this AAB token I haven't looked a ton into, but I think it's very, very nice. You know, Binance has an awesome token for their exchange. That's going to be huge one day, and you know, this is actually pretty nice. So 5.88% annualized interest rates. Let's see. So 100 AAB minimum, that's tiny. So what is that? You know, that's literally $7. That's tiny. So yeah, that's pretty fascinating there. So AAB utilities, more to be added. So use AAB to enjoy fee discount. That's always nice. Hold AAB to boost competition ranking. Enjoy random airdrop. That is super nice. And then AAB quarterly buyback. That's also incredible. So they say it's kind of the next generation digital asset exchange, launched in November 2019. So still very new exchange, which I like. You know, getting in early on something like this. So world's first cryptocurrency exchange to be powered by LSEG technology, Millennium Exchange, the same exchange engine that powers the London Stock Exchange. Wow. It is also the first of its kind to have joined the London Stock Exchange Group, the LSEG partner platform. So AAX is an exchange that raises the standards for integrity, security, and performance, one that would stand up to regulatory scrutiny, be accessible to the masses, while fulfilling the requirements of institutional market participants as well. So they kind of go on to talk about, you know, like what's AAX known for. I would say decentralization, but that, you know, they have all these different things down here. So let's actually dive into what an account looks like. So as you can see here at the top, you have either sign in if you have an account, or if you get started, I have a nice little bonus you can actually claim. So you would just enter your email here. You would set a password, anything you want here, and then or you could enter your phone number. You'll actually get a verification code, and then you'll have to enter a password here. But if you use this referral code, you'll actually get a nice little sign-up bonus with AAX. Very nice to use a sign-up bonus on any exchange, and you'll have nice little perks there. So let's jump into what it would look like after you enter all these things, and then obviously you hit agree. You can check these out if you would like. So the AAX terms of use and the privacy policy. But just enter these things in, or again, you always have the email option here, and we'll take a look at what it looks like when you actually have signed in. Once you have created an account, you can see here, this is what a new account would look like. So you have 0 in balance here, but let's take a look at how you can view this. So you would have a nice little graph over here if you were you know, frequently trading, frequently kind of funding your account. It's very interesting. You know, you also, just to reiterate, you have the newbies guide, the academy, and things down here. So you have your futures account, your fiat account, and how you would go ahead and fund this. So you'd go over to your spot account, and you have the ability here to transfer. So for example, you could hit transfer, and from here you can transfer to a futures account. So first you want to actually fund this spot account, and that's where you would go to deposits. Here in the deposit section, you would be able to copy this given address, and then, you know, from another wallet, transfer over here, from another exchange, transfer over here. If you get it in BTC, you can also use a QR code here. But let's see, withdrawals. So from deposits, then you're going to have in your spot wallet. Then if you're going to want to do margin trading, as I said, you'd go to spot wallet, you would hit transfer, and you would want to transfer over to your margin account or your contract trading account. So futures is another way of saying it. So you have the fiat, you have the AAX Volt, and then you have the futures. If you want to do margin trading, you're going to want to do the futures. Here, let's get rid of that. You also have this section down here, the AAB, again, the AAX token reward. You have over here, so you'll kind of get that as you are interacting with AAX frequently. As I said, this is an important exchange because you also will be getting airdrops if you're holding the tokens. So pretty interesting. Let's see, what else can we do here. So let's go into the fiat account and just kind of explain this. you have this is again this is where you will be able to see your actual estimated balance. So if you click here, this is where it would be able to show. You'll be able to track all your trade orders and everything like this when you're in. So USDT, BTC, and AAB are kind of the three they have here. So just to reiterate, AAX is an incredible decentralized exchange. I highly recommend you check it out. You can use our promo code, kind of using that to get a bonus when you sign up for AAX. And yeah, enjoy the decentralized exchange, enjoy the airdrops and all the benefits of being decentralized. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like, subscribe button all, like, subscribe button all. So hit the like button, subscribe button, bell button all, because this is time sensitive content. Thank you very much. As always, invest global, and until next time.